Welcome back, guys, to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It's the weekend, guys, so of course you know how we do it here. Going on the road, taking you guys with us everywhere, every step of the way. It's definitely a beautiful day out today. This is the best it's gonna get in winter. As you guys can see, it's really cool, but it could have been worse, so we're grateful. So we're going on the road today just to hang out a little bit. We have a number of stuff to try and get accomplished today. We're going to the mall. I'm gonna try and find a barber shop because I'm beginning to look like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo, so it's time to go to the barber. But my barber Upton moved to Nova Scotia, so it's difficult to find Caribbean and African barbers here in Grande Prairie. So I might have to explore a bit today to see if I can find another barber. If not, I just have to probably take what I get and hope for the best kind of thing. So going on the road, as I said, taking you guys with us. So you guys might have noticed that you haven't seen any videos in a couple of days, which is a little bit unusual for us. Malika wasn't feeling well. It's a bug going around here in Alberta. I'm probably in Canada. I'm not sure what's going on, but like 90% of all the kids are sick. So we had to be dealing with that. Then Malia got sick. So if you guys have been reaching out to me and noticing that you guys haven't been getting any response, it's because of that, you understand? So yeah, just be patient with us, but we're slowly getting back in the groove, and then we'll try and reach out to as many persons who we didn't reach out to over the past last week. So just forgive us and just take it easy with us and come along with the trip today, guys. Smash a like on the video if you haven't done so already, and drop a comment, guys. Let me know what the weather is like in your city, in your town, or in your country. Where are you watching from, guys? That's really important to us to know where you're watching from. So drop it in the comment section as well. Let us know where you're watching from, guys, and come along on the journey, come along on the trip. All right, guys? We're nice to see your community. We're nice to see your people.
From last week.
From last week, right? It feel like it's been a while. Yeah.
Hi guys. Welcome back to another vlog. We're vlogging, right? I don't know. We're doing something.
Yeah, we're vlogging. Well, right now we're driving. Yeah. So as I said before, guys, we've been away from pretty much social media for a while. Feel like a couple of days, which feels like a long time for us.
Last
you know,
take it over.
Huh? Last week took it over. Oh, that's crazy. They probably weren't happy.
No.
They probably weren't happy on the switch.
Yep.
Yeah, so we were just nursing Malika back to health, and
I'm sick again, and Malika is sick again.
I told him about Malika, but Malika is recovering now.
Recovering now.
Yeah.
Every time it changes from getting warm and then get cold again, this is what happens. So we need some sinus tablets, some cold medicine
some Jamaican
from Jamaica.
medicine.
There's nothing here.
There is meds here, but it come like say it's not the meds that we want or that we used to. So it's difficult to get good meds. Right? Anyways, guys, on the road, showing you guys what outside look like. Of course, it's now mid-November, and the place is looking like the middle of winter. I don't know where it's going. I don't know it's probably.
And it's -3.
-6. -6 the car, say.
Mine's still my phone saying.
Which one, right?
I don't know.
Anyways, let's watch how I'm going, guys. Sunshine don't mean warmth.
Trick you.
Yeah, man.
It's
Trick you,
not
man.
bad today. I'm not feeling that
Yeah,
good.
feel alright today.
You talk about shorty garbage.
Huh?
You come doing duty.
I'm doing him chore.
Go.
Sure. You want to try one of them tonight?
Fine.
And what's the share number again?
No, none.
$10.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hi, I'm pump number.
And there you have it, guys. Car is done wash, at least outside. But I'm not really worried about inside the car because, as you can see, it's winter time. So we need a floor mat, but apart from that, it will get dirty anyway because in the winter it's hard to keep inside clean. Right now we're going to the mall. We're trying to change internet company, so we're going to the mall to get if we can get a better package from another company. And then just make a few stops while we're there. You guys have been to the mall so many times with us, we know. But come again, no problem. And then after we leave the mall, we're gonna go to Canadian Tire to try and get some boxes to pack some stuff into. And then what else we have on the agenda today? That was it? And probably try and get some food, right? And then back home. That's it. Make sure to smash a like if you haven't done so already. Come here. Wagwan you. So what do you say, guys? Like persons can just come and leave their kids right here.
Yes, right here. Right here for at least 2 hours. We're having fun. We're dancing. We're skipping around. We're playing with toys.
Watch your man.
Everything is just free, really.
Yeah, we just can't get over how innovative this business is, babes. People from now on are 100% Jamaican. Yadi.
Yes.
Yadi. Yeah.
And we have
lots of Christmas arts and crafts. See books?
Malika, come and take off your shoes.
Wanna take come?
Yeah, she has a cold,
Stop
so
in the
she
front.
fussy.
Yeah, exactly.
What's up?
She said she doesn't know who's sick right now.
Everybody's sick. Yeah. Man, it's crazy. Yeah, man, we love it, man. So, is it the same price? As in, like,
$23.95 for 2 hours.
for 2 hours. $23.95 per hour?
No.
Or
for
123. $23.95 for the 2 hours. Like not $23.95 times 2, but $23.95 for the 2 hours.
For like 2 hours slot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds cheap, yeah. Like I saw you guys on Facebook, I didn't know that it was like a, I thought it was like a store, probably contract you guys to.
Don't run the magnet.
Magnus get biggie? Magnus get biggie?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Alright, don't run him down. When he said stop, you have to stop.
Come on, Malia. Malia. Come on, Mami. Come on.
Good job. We're gonna do the 8.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
How good, man? How are you?
Good. How can I help you?
Huh?
You can plug it in yourself on your work.
And I work. So and then I'll be in-house tech support. And then I will be the in-house tech support.
You're not so techy.
What do you mean?
I'm more techy than you.
Until I can't figure it out, and then me have to come figure it out. Like everything. Like everything. Oh, yo, let me do it. And then 2 twos, I may have to come save you and rescue you.
Technology. How do you help me?
Everything.
Like, Remember, people don't see it on the live and know say, yo, NASCAR help me. We have evidence. We have.
I don't want to recall where I can go.
You have been on numerous live. Where you have to call for my help.
Yeah, guys, so if you guys are wondering what we did with the kids, we left them in that drop-in center, which is really, really convenient. Like, if you're coming to the mall and you have kids and you don't want to bring them with you, like in the stores and where you're going, $23.99 for 2 hours. Really, really, really reasonable. Go and check them out, by the way. Care in a Pinch. Care in a Pinch is the name. They're on Instagram. Care in a Pinch. I think they're on Facebook as well. Care in a Pinch. Just check it out. Give them a follow, give them a like, and give them a strength to understand. So we went to the internet place. They told us that it's kind of a little bit too soon to set it up right now based on what we need. So we're gonna come back in the week and get that sorted out. Now, it's very, very convenient based on what he's explaining, but we need very good internet. So definitely we're going to give it a try and then so we'll go from there. It's Christmas in the mall. The only thing missing is Santa. You write a letter to Santa already? You write a letter to Santa already? Eh?
No, I haven't.
Where you want from Santa this year?
How's Caroline? Everybody. How's Caroline?
Yeah. Santa, all I need is health. I'll take care of the rest. So what's up now? Oh, I'm gonna check out Bridget of mine who own a store in the mall. I see him there and forward. So unfortunately, guys, we had to go home because Malika started coughing more. Guessing because she was outdoor a lot and it's really, really cold. So she started coughing, so we had to go back home. So unfortunately, we weren't able to go anywhere else. So we just pretty much went back home. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed already. Really, really helps out the channel. And drop a comment, guys. Let us know where you're watching from. And also let us know what kind of content you want us to do. We try to share our Canadian experience authentically. Really, really hope that we're able to inspire you guys, to motivate you guys, and definitely to educate you guys. Until next time, guys, take care of your mental health and see you guys in the next video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.